Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday. Okay, so for those new to the channel, if this is the first time watching it, absolutely awesome. Thanks very much for tuning in. We'll just go over it real quick. GPX 4500, Coiltek Elite 14-inch dynamite coil. Got me Stumpy 2 picked right there. And I don't think I've explained it on the channel before, but I carry my battery in my backpack there. Cord goes in that side, external speaker and headphones out the other side. Plus I can carry all the things that I need in that bag, drink and all that sort of stuff. So absolutely cool. Let's go and get into it. Okay, we have a target acquired just here in this pole, guys. What I'll do is plug it in. Okay, that's a great sound, that one. I can't sit these up here because of the way this dirt is, so I'll just have to knock it out, get it out, and we'll check it. Okay, beautiful and smooth. Let's see. Beautiful day out here. Absolutely awesome. Okay, we're close now, very close. Just on this side somewhere. I reckon that should have it. Okay. Let's see. I'll try and do this a little bit different. Okay, she's in. Whoa! And we can see it. Sitting right there. Let's get it in the hand. Oh, that's cool as. Oh, you know what we're going to say to that one. That's gold, guys. You ripper. Very good. Alright, quickly gather your thoughts. We'll get the weights in because I want to keep going. Second target for the day. Alright, get your thoughts in. Those weights are coming in right now. Quick, hurry. Here we go. Well done to whoever gets that. Absolutely awesome. You little ripper. Fill that back in and we'll go on to the next one. Okay guys, target acquired. Very close to the surface. I wouldn't expect this to be gold, but we'll check it out, see what we got. As you can hear, very loud response, so I would not expect this to be gold, but you just never know. Still there? Yeah, so that's got it now. Ooh. Oh, there it is. I can see it. Right there in the scoop. Check it out. I reckon that's the first time I found one of these. Ooh, more excited than that piece of gold. Very cool. That's a long shell, that one. Anyone that knows their shells, you can tell me exactly what that is. On the back just there, we have Super X. Very cool. Well, that's a good find, that. That's cool. All right, let's keep going. Okay, we have another target just down here. Plug in the external. Give you guys a listen. I have to redo this because I didn't hit record. The joys. Swing speed and the response is just beautiful and smooth. Beautiful. Let's get her out and let's get it out and see what we got here. Ooh, we have chunky. Alright, get your thoughts in, guys. See what you reckon. This could be it. This could be the one. Not. Oh. Alright, I think I can see it. Here we go. We are going down. Right there in the middle. 3-hole button. I always wanted one of those. Yeah, no, I think that's the first one I found with 3-hole. Very, very cool indeed. Well, on to the next target. Well, that was cool. Okay guys, we have a target right here in the sidewall. Plug this in. Alright, as you can hear, a little bit of a wobbly one. Alrighty, here we go. Somewhere in here. Whoop. Yeah, I'm not going to say what that is. Right there, see that? still in there. Just make a nice flat. Ooh, beautiful gravel. Look at that. Alright, let's see. She is out. Get this one in the scoop and then we'll take it up top. Right on it, but just not deep enough, I reckon. Alright, I'll take this up because it's a little bit awkward in this hole, and we'll just go up up there, and we will go and check out what we got. Alright, let's go. Stumpy 2, stay in the hole. We're going up somewhere in here. Come on, gold. Oh, come on, it's in the hand, it's in the hand. Alright, Famo, I can feel it, it's heavy. What? In the hand. Here we go. I can see it right there. You little ripper. And there we go, how cool is that? Another piece of gold. You ripper, that's gold, guys. That's a pretty cool little piece. Let's clean it. Ooh, she's worn. Very worn, this piece. Oh, look at that. That's cool. A little bit of stuff stuck in there, but that'll clean out. So quickly gather your thoughts. Get those weights in. All your live viewers down here ready. Here come the weights, quick. There we go. How cool is that? Absolutely awesome. Whoever gets close to that, which you guys all are very good at doing it, so well done. Right. Let's get back into it, see if we can get some more. Actually, I might have a bit of a break. I've got something else I want to do for you guys, and we'll just go and check that out, and then we'll get back into it. So let's go. Okay, guys, I thought I'd have a bit of a break just from detecting. Thought I'd come and show you a couple of these holes. Check that out. How cool is that? Some old bottles down there. So we'll check some of them out. There's actually another one just up a bit further, so we'll check some of these out, and we'll go and check the other hole as well. Absolutely cool when you find old bottles like this. There we go, we've got this old one here, that's pretty cool. Still got some stuff in it. That's pretty cool. It's intact, so that's pretty cool. That's very cool too. There's writing, it says, let me just check, YF Incorporated Sydney. Never heard of it. Oh, that's a cool bottle, check that one out. Very cool. Got this big one here, that's pretty cool too. I should stop saying that because they're all very cool. It's like a triangle shape. Very cool. This bottle must not be used as a food container. It says it right there. Damn, because I was thinking about taking that home to use it for some food. Anyway, that's a cool old bottle. Look how big that is in there. Be good to find one of these full of gold. Very, very cool. Just a little skinnier type one. No writing on it. And that one there. Very cool. Okay, it's got writing on it. Taylor Chemical Co. Sydney. I found some of them before. It's a honey hole for bottle collectors, this one. Always good to change it up. I know we always get out here detecting, but it's good when you find spots like this because it is part of history. Find all these bottles still intact. That's a pretty ornate looking little bottle. Got that step down on the side. J&G Meakin in England. That one. See, this one here is intact. Whoa, same as that one before. That's still intact, that one. Very, very cool. Awesome. That one there says Cream Pedal, Grindley, England. That is a pretty cool looking bottle. Anyone need a half a plastic cone? I'll send it to you. That's a pretty cool looking bottle. Dexel, registered trademark. And we have this little small one. Very cool. And another triangle shaped bottle. Pretty funky little bottle. There's those two pieces of china I found right there. Got the blue china, got the boat on there, and that piece there. That's a very cool piece. Got some birds on there. Actually, before we get into detecting, sorry guys, if anyone's seen any bottles in there that they like, shoot through a comment, make contact with me, get me an email, and I'll arrange to get the ones that you like and send them out to you. Because I know how hard it is for some people that collect old bottles to find spots where they're still intact. So first person that sends the comment will be getting the bottles that they want. So okay guys, we have another target down here. How cool is that, going off to see those bottles? Absolutely awesome. So let's plug this in and have a listen. Beautiful response, low high, absolutely cool. Let's get this one out. See how we go. Ooh, she's soft. Soft and not real good looking material, but let's see. Sometimes we get rust on the top that gives us low high. That's a deep one, deeper than the last few anyway. Let's get this stuff out. Real soft material. Oh, guess what? Hear that? Hear the crunch? Alrighty, we'll get that stuff there out of the way. So we've got about 100 and that's about 4 inches of topsoil, just all that light stuff. And there we go. Beautiful gravel. Alright, hopefully she's in there. Oh. Alright, still got a little bit to go. That's a real good sign though. It's below that gravel layer. Oh, she's in there. She's still in there. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Ooh, that's real chunky there. Real chunky goodness down there. Check that out. Whoop. Alright, she's out. She's out. Here we go. Somewhere here. Oh, come on, come on. Here we go. Ooh. Shake it, shake it. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Nah. Oh. I can feel that in the hand. It's like there's something heavy on the bottom. Hear that? Ready? Here we go. You little ripper. Let's go down and check this out. Absolutely awesome. Right there in the scoop. Here we go. Sitting in the middle. Let's get it in the hand. Oh, look at that. That's cool as. That's unreal. That's a piece of gold, guys. I don't need to tell you that, but that's gold, guys. You little ripper. Oh, that's going to look so good. Let's clean that stuff there off. Real sandy quartz and that 100mm of top soily stuff sitting on top, but oh, that's cool as. Absolute ripper. Alrighty, so if you want to get your thoughts ready real quick, day's almost over, so get your thoughts ready, all you guys down here, guys and girls. Let's go get this weight in. Here we go. How cool is that? I'd say it'll be 2, very close to 2 anyway. I would be highly surprised if that's under 2 grams, but very close. Alright, yeah, we'll go through some of these targets. I'll show you some of the ones that I got that I didn't film up, and let's get it done. Okay guys, so that's it, that's me done, because I have to go and get some stuff done. Well, I won't make this go for too long because I respect all of your time, so let's go down and check what we got. Found a fancy cool piece of quartz to sit up here. It's just to display it a little bit better for you guys. And how cool is that? There we go. Okay, so there's that first piece that we found just there, sitting on that nice piece of china with the boat. Very, very cool. And there's that second piece we found. Nice, beautiful little water-worn piece. And we've got the big bullet shell, the really big long one. We've got the 3-hole button. And right next to it, if you can see that, just a really, really small little bird shot. Very cool. And that piece of lead there, like a pointy tip on that one. Very cool. And that's that piece we just found just there. Very cool. Absolutely awesome. And yeah, if you guys liked the episode, don't forget to hit the subscribe, shoot us a, give us a thumbs up if you like. And I'll see you all next Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed that. Very, very cool. Oh, there's a blowfly. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday. Whoop, bloody dropped it. Here we go, back again. Oh, you bloody blowflies. I was calling